backward singing challenge app. So which one to use? So you just need to search for this reverse audio, and here is the app by it's right now in top charts by this developer Nobutaka Yuasa. It's like a solo developer, but he built or she built a really cool app in the top charts. So this is the original app which people are using on TikTok. So here you have it. So how people are using it on TikTok. So what you need to do. So two people participate in this challenge. First person records the normal song or phrase. One, two, one, two, one, two. So then the second person listens to the reverse version. Now. So you need to listen it carefully. So now. And then you need to record the reversed version. Now. I don't know. And then again, you need to play reverse. So because if you play normal, you will just see you just play reverse. And you. So it's almost got it. So that's basically the idea. And then you can have fun with it. So you need to be like really precise, and sometimes it really works and it can be super fun. So that's how you do it. This is a free app. It's quite advanced. It has all of these additional effects. You can then just share your file, save it, and then you can also kind of buy it to remove ads, and that's what it is.